Have you ever wondered how a black piece of stone, buried thousands of feet deep inside the earth, transforms into a powerful magnet within just a few months? And why every year nearly $20 billion, or thousands of crores of money, are spent all around the world on this ordinary-looking metal piece? Today, we will show you the unbelievable journey of the magnet, known as the heart of the modern world. The incredible journey of making a magnet begins deep beneath the ground. From mines, rare earth minerals such as iron, barium, strontium, or neodymium are carefully searched and extracted. First, geologists scan the entire area to determine exactly how much ore is hidden underground and where it is located. Then, using special drilling machines, they pierce through layer after layer of the earth. Once everything is calculated properly, controlled explosions are carried out. Unlike regular mining blasts, these are not loud or reckless. Every gram of explosive and every direction of rock fracture is calculated down to the millimeter, so that the quality of the ore is not damaged at all. After that, tons of ore are transported to factories using massive heavy-duty machines, conveyor belts, and trucks. Once the stones arrive at the factory, a huge operation begins. The stones are first thoroughly washed to remove mud, dust, and unwanted impurities from the surface. Then they are sent to a giant grinding section, where the process of turning stones into fine powder begins. The stones are poured into ball mills or jet mill machines. These machines rotate continuously for 4 to 6 hours, crushing the stones again and again. The grinding continues until the material becomes even finer than human hair. During this stage, the machine temperature is always kept below 180 degrees Fahrenheit, so the natural magnetic properties are not destroyed. After grinding, the flotation process begins. In large tanks, water is mixed with special chemicals to create foam. Here, something truly fascinating happens. The valuable mineral particles attach themselves to air bubbles and float to the top, while sand and stone sink to the bottom. This entire process takes place inside a fully sealed tank, ensuring that no harmful gas or dust escapes into the environment. And now, the real magic begins, the mixing. Neodymium, iron, and boron. These metals are blended together in perfectly precise proportions. This mixture is then placed inside a vacuum furnace with no air inside. Before heating begins, all the air is removed and the chamber is filled with argon gas, because even the smallest trace of oxygen touching the molten metal can completely ruin the neodymium. Next, the mixture is transferred into an induction furnace, where it is melted at nearly 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, turning into a bubbling, glowing liquid like lava. In the blink of an eye, this molten metal is rapidly cooled and turned into thin flakes, or metal chips. Thinking the job is done? Not at all. These chips are fed back into machines and ground into an extremely fine powder. Now the particles are even smaller, only a few microns in size. This powder is then poured into steel molds. Surrounding the molds is an extremely powerful magnetic field, reaching several Teslas in strength. Under this force, the powder particles line up perfectly, just like thousands of compass needles all pointing in the same direction. This process lasts only a few seconds, but it decides how powerful the magnet will be in the future. After pressing, the blocks that come out are still fragile, almost like raw clay bricks. To turn them into strong, solid metal, they are fired again in massive ovens at temperatures between 2,200 and 2,400 degrees. After staying in this heat for several hours, the powder particles bond together, forming a dense, solid piece of metal. In the final factory stage, diamond cutters or laser machines slice these blocks into precise, exact sizes. Finally comes the most astonishing stage of all. Even after so much processing, these pieces are still not magnets. They are only ordinary metal blocks, with no attraction power at all. So now, their true strength is awakened through the magnetization process. Placed inside a special machine, thousands of volts of electricity are passed through them for just 1 to 5 milliseconds. In that tiny moment, the magnetic field that is created becomes nearly 100,000 times stronger than the Earth's natural magnetic field. And just like that, a simple piece of metal turns into one of the most powerful magnets in the world. Afterward, automated machines perform strict quality checks. Then comes the packing stage, which requires extreme care. To prevent magnets from sticking to each other, plastic sheets or special spacers are placed between them. Once packing is complete, these magnets travel into the motors of electric cars like Tesla, into massive wind turbines, and into hospital MRI machines. From stones buried deep underground to powering the wheels of advanced technology, these small metal pieces become the invisible force behind our modern civilization. What we see as a simple piece of metal is actually the hidden heart of the world's most powerful technologies, and behind it lies a journey filled with countless steps, from mines to factories, perfect science, and the extraordinary power of human innovation. That's all for today. We will return again with another strange journey into science or technology. Thank you.